Hey everyone, today we're going to solve plus and minus. Let's get to it. So we're given an array of integers. Okay. Okay. We have to calculate the ratios of its elements that are positive and negative and 0. Okay, this is interesting. Print the decimal value of each fraction on a new line with 6 places after the decimal. Okay. This challenge introduces precision problems. The test cases are scaled to 6 decimal places, though answers with absolute error of up to 10 to the power of -4 are acceptable. So 1, 1, 0, -1, -1. There are 5 elements, 2 positives, 2 negatives, and 1 0. The ratios are 2 to 5 positives, 2 to 5 negatives, and 1 to 5 zeros. Okay, so I think that's how you meant to do it. Okay. So right now we can start seeing that we could use an if condition, an if block, for each element to find if it's positive or negative. So if it's greater than 0, we know it's positive. If it's less than 0, we know it's negative. If neither, then we know that it is 0. So that could be the else condition. I think I have the solution figured out here. So just quickly checking again what the array is. It should just be 3 elements, or not 3 elements, 5 elements. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4. What? There's 6 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 6 elements. So we can use our for loop. For let I equal 0 while I is less than 0, I plus plus. Okay, and then our if conditions. If I is greater than 0, else if I is less than 0, and else. Okay. And how are we meant to? Oh, we're meant to do it like this. Okay. So let's create some variables to hold each ratio. So let positive ratio equals 0. Let negative ratio equals 0. Let 0 ratio equals 0. What are we meant to return? Are we meant to return a string, or I'll put the following lines to 6 decimal places, huh? I'm not sure how I'm gonna print it to 6 decimal places. I know there is a function for that. I just can't remember it from the top of my head, so I'll have to look at the JavaScript docs to refresh myself. But I'm not sure if I'm meant to return numbers or a string here. Because if it's a string, I can just add it all into one string variable. Does it say up here? Complete. The function should not return a value. So will console log suffice? Console log might suffice here. Why does this say the output here? Strange. Well, for now I'll just figure out the ratios. So, actually, I'm gonna need a counter for each one. Let's actually rename these now that I think about it, because you can't figure out the ratio while you're in a single element. You need to add it all up. So let's do positive count, negative count, and 0 count. So positive count plus, negative count plus, and 0 count plus. I'm just gonna for now we'll just test this out, see if it's getting the correct values. Positive count, negative count. Oh, I don't know if this will work. I'll just put it all on I'll just put them all in its own console log. Negative count and 0 count. So given our input, we're given 1, 2 negatives, 1, 2, 3 positives, and 1 0. So it should be 3, 2, 0. No, 3, 2, 1. Should be our debug. Oh, we're given 0 here. Why? Where am I debug here? I don't. Maybe this doesn't work. Maybe I have to actually positive count plus equals negative count plus equals and 0 count plus equals. I haven't done this as well. Okay. Does this fix it? Strange, it's not working. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. Let's see what I is each time. Console.log I. Let's see what I'm actually getting. No response. And out. What? What have I done? Oh, wait a minute. Well, okay. Array at position I. That's why. Wait, no. I don't know how I've screwed up this for loop so badly. Well, I is less than array dot length. Array dot length. This is why array at position I. That is why. And I'm not. Oh no, yeah, that's fine, that's fine. Does this fix it? Oh, I haven't uncommented these. Does this work? Ah, sweet. It does. Still not working. Console.log array at position I. Okay, so we know we're getting yeah, we know I is working now. Console.log pass. Let's see if the if blocks are actually going through. They are. Cool. Oh, no, that's correct. Let's see. This is strange. I'm not too sure what I have done wrong here. Why is this 0? That... I'll try it the long way. Positive count is equal to positive. Does this work? No. +1. We'll just do it the long way. Oops. Plus equals positive count plus plus. So I got 3 there. I'm getting 0 there. Do I have it backwards? I have no idea how this is not working. Let's quickly Google this. Plus equals JavaScript. I've got an idea. If this equals 3, Oh, this isn't gonna work. Yeah. Oh, we'll just keep it the long way. It's fine. It's equal to negative count plus 1 plus 1. We will uncomment all of this. So again, we should get 1, 2, 3 positives, 2 negatives, and 1 0. 3, 2, 1. Okay, that's correct. Let's comment this out. Actually, we can keep these and just do positive count divided by array dot length for each one. And that should give us the answer, I think. Yep. I didn't, what is going on here? .5. I'm not getting the... Yeah, I'm not... Okay, so I need to format it now. But before I do, is there anything that I could have done better here? So we have counters for each ratio. We're checking whether it's positive or negative. Like this. We're incrementing the counters and then we're finding the ratios. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with this. There might be a cheesier way of finding if a number is positive or negative, but is there any value in knowing what that function is when you can just figure it out through a simple comparison of 0? Is it even worth writing such a function? I don't think there is. And now I need the formatter then. JavaScript formatter. So new. What's this? Int something. Either way, I don't know what this stands for, but I know this this class and this method will do what we want. So do we need this? Format number. Maximum significant digits. Oh, actually, this probably... Oh, I think this is language. Okay. This probably isn't what we want. We want decimal places. JavaScript decimal places. Oh, fixed point notation. Okay. Two fixed. What class is this? Number... Okay, so... excuse me. So it seems that it's it belongs to the number class, and it should be automatically available then, because the values we're using are automatically numbers. So digits, the number of digits to appear after the decimal point. Okay, so it's between 0 and 20. So 2 fixed. Let's try this. Let's put this all in here. Dot 2 fixed, and we will put 6. Not exactly the prettiest looking thing. Okay, that's a lot better. Let's actually make a function for this. So let's call it function. What should we call it? Let's just call it get ratio, I guess. Return. So we'll get an integer. We'll get number here. Return. Say formatted equals number divided by let's do total. Divide by total, and then we'll do 2 fixed here. Dot 2 fixed 6. Right. So what this function will allow us to do, we'll remove a lot of this duplicated code up here. So we're not doing, we're not using 2 fixed for each console log here. I mean, well, we are, but we don't have to write it out 3 times here. Format is equal to number turn formatted. Sweet. And then here, or actually no, maybe we should call this set ratio, and then get ratio will be, oh no, because I don't want to have 3 console logs as well. But let's just refactor this, just this bit. Refactor it with just this, and then we can worry about the console logs. Console log get ratio. Positive count and array dot length. What have we got wrong here? Formatted is not defined. Or huh? I thought I did it right before. Alright, yep, so it is the correct values. Now, Maybe I should just have another variable here. I'm not really a fan of it, but I don't like having 3 console logs. It's either having 3 console logs or 3 new variables. Well, what's the benefit of having 3 console logs? Nothing really. In terms of scalability, if I want to print more things, I'm going to need to add another console log. I'll write it out and see how I feel about it. Function print stuff, or print numbers, or print, or get rate, print ratio. Yep, I guess. Or should this be set ratio? Doesn't matter. Console.log number, and then the number up here. I wonder if I can do this. Print. Yeah, I don't know. It's kind of funny. I don't think this really matters too much. Let's positive ratio equal let negative ratio and let 0 ratio equal count, negative count, zero count, and then yeah, so far I don't think I'm really achieving much in terms of scalability. It's either one or the other right now, and personally I'm not seeing how if they I'm not too sure what extra functionality could even be added. Maybe averages, I guess, but we're already getting ratio. I don't know. wonder, maybe you could put this all into one array and then print out each element in the array for the array length. Maybe that would be ideal. Let ratios array Can you have dynamic arrays in yeah, should be able to. Let ratios equal push. Oh, is this a function? Yeah. Pull. Okay, so I mean it's the same thing again. It's just three. It's three pushes, but the advantage is it's a little bit more you're not creating three variables, you're not using three console logs. It is a bit better, I think. Let's see if I can count. Ratios with ratios, and then for ratios, let I equal 0 while I is less than ratios dot length I plus plus console dot log ratio at position I. Does this work? Current ratios is not defined. Missed the S. It does work. I'm really not sure what solution I'd like here. I'm definitely overdeveloping this. I'm over-engineering this 100%. I do actually prefer having an array of ratios here though. Because let's say you want to know how many ratios you have. Like maybe you want the standard deviation, the mean, the mode, the median. There's probably a few other numbers that I don't know. And then you want maybe the account of how many unique ratios you have. Having this array will allow you to do that. You're also not printing, or you're not console logging. You're not using multiple console logs. Well, you kind of are, I guess. Oh, actually, what you could do here is return console log. Let's do let string equal this, and then string plus equals ratios at position I. And then if you console log, okay, here we go. Now you're only using a single console log. Wrong answer. What is it? Oh no. Okay. So string plus equals this at plus a new line plus there we go. Oh no. Why is it doing a fourth one here? So print new line, print new line. It still technically passes. I really am over-engineering this. But I do like having a single console log as opposed to multiple console logs. I like having this ratio function to sort out the ratio, and it's really general. Let's say we want to find the ratio of again, the medians, the modes, the means, the standard deviations. You can call this many times and it will work, which is nice. Having this array to store everything in is nice. I actually prefer this overdeveloped method. It's probably not necessary for a challenge like this. But I think it's good that we've thought about future development. How do we want to develop something if we're planning on future functionality? It's good to think about that, and that's definitely something that I could probably work on as a developer. But yeah, I don't think there's much more we can improve on here, except for that empty string there. Actually, here we can use if I is not equal to ratios dot length. Here we go. String plus equals new line. Okay, so this will at least get rid of that line at the end. Kind of a horrible looking solution. Oh wait, no it didn't. What? Does this have a pass? ratios dot length I is not equal to I should get oh wait, because okay, that's right, you need -1 here. This should work now. Yep, much better. So we've solved that extra line problem. We've created a fairly general function for printing the ratios. We're concatenating everything to a string, and we're doing a single console log, which is nice. I like that. I like how we've got this general ratio finder, I guess, for any sort of number. I like how we're pushing everything into an array. I'm not like this is okay. There's no point in using any sort of special functions for determining if something's positive or negative. Yeah, I'm actually pretty happy with everything we've done so far. Might not be the most simplest of solutions, but it's definitely something with a lot of pre-thinking. It's definitely a solution with a lot of pre-thought put into it. I think it's a good way of demonstrating future functionality, just in case. So yeah, if you enjoyed that, stay tuned for the next episode, I guess. Enjoy.